Everywhere, cities are growing fast. Future is challenging us.
As an architect, the task is not easy, but our history is strong, and we have all the foundation to go beyond. We are all in this together, and everyone can make a choice of caring for what is yet to come.
Each era brings its own innovation. As an engineer, it is time to open a new chapter, pushing the limits of performance. Based on the technology for ideas, it is time for a new generation of facades.
Having clear vision, I can see my ideas turning into reality, into something beautifully sustainable, reduced to the essential, applying high standards of quality and design.
Every day, I feel the responsibility to take care, considering the whole life cycle of a building, not only focusing on environmentally friendly aluminum, but also on recyclable and recycled content, building a company towards a better society.
It has always been this way.
Actions speak louder than words. Nothing less.
I always expect the most.
Trusting real partnerships, sharing the same values, because shaping the future is much simpler developing solutions together. Are you ready to write this new chapter with and for a new generation?
Together, we build beyond tomorrow.
And build facades beyond tomorrow.